An enforcement agent, or a bailiff, is a debt collector with legal powers to take and sell your goods. They do this on behalf of a company or a council if you haven't paid your debts. In this video, we'll talk about bailiffs and what they do when they visit. Just so you know, the information we'll go through is relevant if you live in England or Wales. If you live in Scotland or Northern Ireland, the rules are different. So for more information, we'd recommend visiting our website. On there, you can read about sheriff officers in Scotland or the Enforcement of Judgments Office in Northern Ireland. So you may have seen bailiffs on TV, making forced entry into people's homes to claim goods. This does sometimes happen, but it is rare. In most cases, bailiffs can only get involved after your creditor, the person you owe money to, has taken you to court. A visit from a bailiff shouldn't be a surprise, as they have to send you a letter at least a week before they first visit you to let you know that they're coming. A bailiff can only visit between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. They could come to you at your home or any property where you live or run a business. If you work for somebody else, they shouldn't call you at your place of work. During a visit, they will usually make a list of high-value items you own and make a payment arrangement with you. This is called taking control of your goods. If you then fail to make payments shown in this agreement, they can come back and sell the goods that they've listed. This means it's really important to make sure any offers of payments that you agree are realistic and affordable. If you're struggling to know what to do or how to pay, then we'd recommend phoning us as soon as possible for advice and support. Here are 3 things you should do when a bailiff visits to prevent your items from being listed. 1. Stay calm and don't argue with them. You don't have to speak to them or let them in. 2. Lock your doors and close your curtains and blinds. 3. Consider hiding any high-value goods away from the house or out of view. Removing goods is only a criminal offence if the goods have already been taken into control. Bailiffs don't need to enter your property to list these items if they can see them through a window or letterbox. However, if the items are listed this way, it's your choice whether you sign the agreement. Bailiffs can only take control of your goods once they've been let into your property. It's important to know what a bailiff can and can't list. What they'll be looking for are items that could be easily sold for a reasonable price at an auction. This includes vehicles, electronics, jewellery, or expensive furniture items. However, they can't take everything, and there are items which couldn't be listed. This includes anything that you can prove you don't own, items currently on a hire purchase agreement, medication, or essential items for work, study, or living. You can see a full list of items that can't be listed on our website. A letter or visit from a bailiff is usually a sign that you need free and impartial debt help. At StepChange, we can give you expert advice to help you deal with the debt that the bailiff is trying to collect and also help you manage your financial situation. To get the right help, you can get in touch with us online or over the phone, and we'll be here to support you every step of the way.